Epsom salt is a natural mineral that was first discovered in Epsom, England. Epsom salt has a variety of home remedy applications, the two most widely known being as a saline, laxative and pain reliever. What many people don't realize is that Epsom salt also has several uses in organic gardening for healthy plants. Here are 7 reasons to use Epsom salt in your garden. Number 1. Improve seed germination. Using Epsom salt as a soil amendment before seeding will give your garden a powerful boost right from the start. Magnesium aids in seed germination and helps to strengthen cell walls, leading to more and stronger seedlings. For best results, incorporate 1 cup of Epsom salt per 100 square feet of tilled soil, or mix 1 to 2 tablespoons into the soil at the bottom of each hole before dropping in seeds. Number 2. Tastier tomatoes. Tomatoes suffer from magnesium deficiency, especially when grown in pots. To resolve this, dissolve 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in 1 gallon of water and apply this solution in every 2 weeks to your tomato plants. Number 3. For better blooming roses. Adding Epsom salt helps in the production of chlorophyll, which favors the bushier growth of the roses. Also, its addition encourages more blooms. Feed rose bushes with Epsom salt at the time of planting and again at the first sign of new growth. Application of Epsom salt when the plant is flowering is also helpful. Number 4. Grow sweeter fruit. The production of fruiting bodies is the most taxing process in the life cycle of a plant. Applying Epsom salt to fruit and nut trees, bushes and vines using the same methods and quantities stated above to boost chlorophyll levels inside the plant cells. Increased energy means more sugar, allowing the plant to produce higher yields of sugar, sweeter, healthier fruit. Number 5. Prevent leaf curling. Sometimes, due to magnesium deficiency, leaves may curl inward or upward. In such a case, application of Epsom salt around the base of the plant helps a lot. Alternately, for quick absorption, you can also mix 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in a gallon of water and spray directly on the foliage. Number 6. Get rid of weeds. If you want to get rid of weeds in your garden but don't want to use herbicides, use Epsom salt. Instead, mix 1 liter of vinegar with 2 tablespoons of dish soap and 4 tablespoons of Epsom salts. Stir everything well and pour this into a spray bottle. Spray this solution on the weeds. Number 7. Deter garden pests. Epsom salt can be used in many instances to provide a natural pesticide-free cure for crawling slimy slugs. Sprinkle where slugs glide along and say goodbye. Epsom salt is also kid-friendly, being non-toxic.